Hello, early college high school scholars. My name is Miss Garner. I'm the Summer Bridge coordinator, and today I'm going to show you how to access the TSI pre-assessment. So follow along with me. Feel free to pause throughout this video. The first thing you want to do, go up to the top in your search bar, and I want you to type in accuplacer.org. Click enter. You're going to see a purple website such as this one. You'll see it says start test with a voucher. You don't want that. Fast track? Nope. Student portal is exactly what you want to select. Information for students. Select this button. It will bring you to the Accuplacer student portal page. From here, what I want you to select is practice resources. Now, you'll see instructions here, but I don't want you to pay attention to this. What I want you to select is Start Practicing, this yellow button. You will be required to create a free account. And keep in mind, this account is not just good for TSI, it can be used for ACT, SAT, any particular college entrance exam you'll need. In this case, we're practicing for the TSI. So, make sure you follow each and every one of these requirements, because if one is wrong, you will not be able to sign up for the account. As you can see, I already have a username and password. Yours will save automatically also once you've created the account. Go ahead and pause the video and take some time now to create your account. Okay everyone, as you can see, I've entered in my email address and my special password, and I'm going to click sign up, this purple button. So now you will see account created successfully. If you don't see account created successfully, that means you did not follow one or more of these requirements. If it was created successfully, go ahead and sign on here. You can pause the video now if you need to and sign on and resume when you're ready. Once you're in, you're going to see welcome to the Accuplacer web application, and it gives you a little bit of information, and you see all the different practice that this website offers for free, and I promise you it's free. What you want to select is Texas Success Initiative TSI Practice Test. Click the purple button, Save. Once you've selected the Texas Success Initiative, you'll see selected tests to begin. You have TSI Reading, TSI Writing, TSI Math. In this case, you will have to do all three, but you can start off with Learn as you go, or you can jump right into the sample test. That part is up to you. If you choose Learn as you go, what's going to happen is like a tutorial. You'll go through a sample TSI reading test, and they'll tell you explanations and justifications for why you got an answer wrong or right. If you select sample test, it's going to take you straight to the official TSI reading sample test. For each sample test, I'm going to teach you how to save your results. When you're ready to begin, simply click sample test. When you're in your sample test, you will select begin, and your sample test will begin. Looks like there are 12 questions, so anticipate about 12 questions in each of the practice tests. Now I'm going to show you how to save your scores. Once you've completed the sample exam, you will see an Accuplacer score report, such as this one. In this case, I've scored 42% correct. However, I'm sure you will do better if you take your time and use the strategies provided during Summer Bridge. Now I'm going to show you how to save your scores as a PDF file that can be uploaded later to our Google site. Please keep in mind, I'm working from a MacBook. You might be working from an HP computer, and if so, I have step-by-step picture instructions that you can follow from the Early College Summer Bridge Google site. But in this case, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to select Print. Where it says Destination, you want to make sure that it says Save as PDF. Make sure that your printer is not listed. Make sure that you click the drop down and click Save as PDF. Pages layout can all stay the same, and you're going to click Save. As you save it to your documents, be sure to place your last name, such as mine is Garner dash reading, which is the test that I just took, dash, and then this Accuplacer can stay the same, but make sure you include your last name and the title of the test. So if it's reading, call it reading. This will help you when you're uploading it. Click save. Now that you've completed the TSI reading sample test, you should pause the video and take time to complete the TSI writing sample test and TSI math sample test. Simply click take test and you're back to this screen. If you feel like you need more practice in the writing, remember you can select learn as you go. If you feel like you need more practice in the math, you can select learn as you go. If you're ready to take the sample test, click sample test and begin. Click sample test and begin. Pause the video, take some time to complete this test, and then tune back in. And we're back. I went ahead and completed the TSI writing test with you. So remember to save your scores. I'm going to File, Print, Destination, make sure that it says Save as PDF. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to type my last name, writing, and then I'm going to save this to my documents. Pause the video and complete your final sample test, and I will do the same. Scores. Once you've saved your sample scores, remember to return to take a test for your final sample test. In this case, mine is TSI Mathematics. Take some time, pause your computer, and complete your sample test and tune back in. And we're back. I just completed the TSI Mathematics sample test, and now I'm going to save my scores. File, Print, Save as PDF, Save, last name, Garner, Math, Accuplacer, save this video. So now that you've completed the sample test in TSI Reading, TSI Writing, and TSI Math, and you've saved each test score as a PDF, you can now log out of your account. Once logged out, in order to submit your scores to our website, you're going to research us on the internet. Type in DeSoto, early, college, high school, click enter. You will select the first link on Google, which is our website. From here, scroll down till you see Summer Bridge site, which is located to the left. Click here to access. On the Summer Bridge site, you're going to select TSI Pre-Assessment. On this site, scroll down to the very bottom to upload your scores. As you can see, these are step-by-step picture instructions in case you know someone that hasn't watched the video that would prefer to follow these instructions. On step 11, you will see, once you've saved all 3 sample test scores as PDF files, click here to upload them. You can click here or you can click on the picture to get to the Google form. Keep in mind you're going to be prompted to sign into your Google account. You can sign into your personal account if you choose. Pause the video, take some time and sign into your personal Gmail account. Once you've signed in, you'll see a yellow Google form that says TSI Sample Test Submissions. On this form, you're going to write your name, so student first name. I'll put my name, for example. Student last name, type in your last name. Student birth date, make sure that you get this exactly right. 01/08/2004, for example. That's just the made up birthday, but just make sure that you get yours correct. On to Student DeSoto ID. If you're enrolled in DeSoto ISD and you know your ID number, which is similar to your lunch number, go ahead and type that in here. If you don't yet have a DeSoto ISD ID number, leave it blank. In this case, I'll put 00000. Student Cedar Valley College ID. If you have your CVC ID and you've been enrolled already, type in your CVC ID number here. If you don't, leave it blank. Now you will see TSI reading sample test scores, PDF upload. You're going to click Add File. You're going to select files from your device. Go to your documents and make sure that you find the file that has your last name dash reading. As you can see, this one says Garner Reading Accuplacer. I'm going to click Open. Now I'm going to click the blue button Upload. Now I'm going to repeat the same process, but this time I'm going to upload my TSI reading score. Add file. Select files from your device. Garner Writing Accuplacer. Practice test. Open. Click Upload. TSI Math. Add file. Select files from your device. Make sure that you find your math score. Garner Math, correct. Open. And then upload. Before you click Submit, there's one last question. Which TSI test would you like additional tutoring for during the 2020-2021 school year? You can select all three, or you can select one, or you can select none if you feel that you are competent in each one. However, we recommend you select at least one that you believe you'll need tutoring in. For the sake of this video, I'll just click TSI Reading and I'll click TSI Writing and then Submit. Be patient. It may take a minute to upload. Once you see your response has been recorded, you're finished with this process. Feel free to watch this video again or go through it and pause as needed.